Manrega was launched by Sonia ji and Manmohan Singh ji as right to work for the rural people, which protects the rights of the laborers of the village, and in turn they used to get 100 days of work minimum on the enhance of their demand. If they are demanding for work today, within 15 days the government was supposed to provide them work, and if any delay happens, the government was supposed to give them salaries. And the ratio was 100% skilled labor, unskilled laborers wages were given by the central government. But VBG Ramji Act, as per that, the proportion of the payments will differ. It will be 60:40. The 40% of the ratio burden is increased to the state government, which was previously taken care in the Manrega by the central government. So what happens with this, when the burden of more 30% is given to the state, it cannot bear the cost of the upcoming demands. And previously it was demand-based supply, and now it will be decided by the central government. The Modi government will decide what work will happen, that will be done from Delhi, not from the decentralized pattern which was applied in Manrega. In Manrega, the demand was coming from the ground, and the panchayats were having the power, which we call decentralized power. But here, the power is being centralized, which is basically, killing the soul of what was given to our nation. It is now killing the rights of SC/ST, OBCs, minorities, and general categories which come under Manrega. So this is injustice to all, and it is not that the central government doesn't have money. If you have seen, anything you do or buy and anything you pay for, you are charged state government GST and central government GST. So your money is going to the state government as well as the central government, and central government has to give it back to the states for the welfare of the state. So this is doing injustice not only to the villages but to the state also, because the funding burden is increasing to the state, and the infrastructure which was being developed by the localites, it will be disturbed. And one more point is being added here. Previously, entire year, the needy can go and ask for the employment. But here the state governments are given instructions that 60 days they have to finalize within 60 days. The agricultural season is there. That time this guarantee is not provided. So why was this given throughout the year in Manrega? So that the laborers have the bargain capacity of their minimum wages with other people who are asking them to work during the agricultural season. But taking away these rights will reduce the bargaining power of those laborers, and they'll be compelled to work at any cost which is being given to them by the contractors. So this is killing their rights, this is killing their basic